welcome to Car Hub, where we bring automotive history back to life. Today, we're talking about one of the most iconic names in American car culture, the Chevrolet Bel Air. When you hear Bel Air, you're not just hearing the name of a car, you're hearing the echo of an era. From the early 1950s through the late 60s, the Bel Air stood for bold design, big engines, and true American spirit. The golden years? Without a doubt. The Tri-5 models from 1955 to 1957. These cars weren't just transportation, they were rolling works of art. Chrome-heavy, two-tone paint jobs, tail fins and rocket-inspired details made them instantly recognizable and unforgettable. The 57 Bel Air especially is a legend all on its own, a dream car for collectors and gearheads to this day. But the Bel Air wasn't just a one-hit wonder. Through the 60s, it evolved. By 1967, the design was more streamlined, modern, and muscular. It became a favorite for those who wanted full-size comfort with optional V8 performance. Whether it was cruising down Main Street or racing down the quarter mile, the Bel Air held its own. And under the hood, you had choices. From reliable inline sixes to big block V8s, the Bel Air could be built for family road trips or full-blown speed. It was versatile, affordable, and easy to love. The Chevrolet Bel Air didn't just move people, it moved a generation. It was the car in the driveway in the movies and in the memories. And even today, it stands as a symbol of a time when cars had character, soul, and style. Which Bel Air is your favorite? The sleek 67, the iconic 57, or something else entirely? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching Car Hub. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another ride through automotive history. Until next time, keep it classic and keep it cruising.